Welcome back to the channel. Got a deer hunting tip for you here in the North Woods of Wisconsin at our new cabin. We've got two tree stands that I have on my shooting range here. They just I had to repair one, and then I purchased one and never got it in the woods, and they'll go in the woods at some point. But as we are in the tree stand, sometimes we don't think that we have enough cover on us with our camouflage on. So you're sitting in a tree, kind of look open, let's say you're in the canopy. You're concerned of how deer are going to see you when they look up. So here's what I'm working on. You can get some PVC pipe or conduit pipe. You want to paint it something other than white, or you can tape it because deer can see the color white very well. So all tree stands are going to be different, as I have two different stands here. That's the kind of stand I have most in the woods. I think I've got 4 of them, this style here. So what I am looking to do is take this PVC pipe and then I'll zip tie it in that configuration. I'm not going to drill into the platform, as I don't want to compromise the platform at all. And I'm not going to drill into the frame. So I need to figure out a way in order to mount these, and I think this will work. What I am accomplishing by doing this is I'm mainly in a pine forest, but also this will work if you're in hardwood as well. You take limbs and you stick in there. Now remember, you're 15, 20 feet, 25 feet in the air. When the deer looks up, it's going to be more looking like this. And you're not going to shoot straight down like if you were here. You're not going to be shooting like right there. So you're going to have a little breakup in front of you. And you could also take PVC pipe if you are in an area where you can screw it to a tree. And then you could put another limb there to break up your back silhouette. Or you can ratchet strap this or strap it to the tree some form or fashion. You want to paint this as well. You do want to be aware of how you're climbing in the tree stand. Like I would be here climbing up, and I would come around here. So I wouldn't want something that's got a big, got limbs on it that's going to hurt the accessibility of getting in the stand. Also, if you're going to shoot behind you, you don't want that to be closed off. But if you're kind of in the open area and need some breakup, that will also work. This will work in the aspect of you don't have to find burlap or make a cage or hang something. This is very simple to do. Now, in the early portions of the season, like we are now, we're about a month out, there are going to be a lot of green leaves, and they will change, and then they will fall. And what you're looking for is just basically the skeleton, the limbs, to get that breakup action. So whenever let's say your stand's right there, it looks kind of, just a solid platform, or got the ribs there. So if that tree stand was right there and you had some limbs hanging off of it, that would really make a big difference. And then if you needed something behind you, which we would have plenty of foliage behind us, but you have a little more breakup so it doesn't look so solid, it looks more natural. So this is something that you can do on your tree stands. Like for instance, this tree stand here, I could take and zip tie, paint these, zip tie one on each side and throw them off the side, or I could zip tie them underneath and shoot them off the front to break up the silhouette to make it more natural looking. Now I know that there could be some ill effects in this, like if you're in the tree stand as the leaves are drying, there's going to be a little bit of noise. But also remember, the woods is not always silent all the time. Even when there's no wind, there are squirrels, there are birds moving around. So if you do get in the stand and it shakes a little bit, or the limbs hit, that's not necessarily a terrible thing to do. But I wanted to pass this along, as this may be something in order to help you break up your silhouette and save you money, that you don't have to buy some type of device you screw into the tree or you screw into your stand and it has these fake leaves on them or whatever. This is a low-cost way in order to hide and conceal and break up your silhouette a little bit more. Thanks for watching.